Hello guys, I'm Sasha and today we'll be interviewing a lot of celebrity stylists, top Bollywood celebrity stylists, and they're going to show you how to dress winter chic this season. First we have celebrity stylist Asta Sharma who styled top celebrities like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Isha Gupta, Yami Gautam, Tamanna Bhatia and many more. So of course we can see a lot of festive thing going on in your closet. Tell us a little about your clothes you have.
Well, winters, you tend to go out a lot more, and you travel and you're everywhere. You're going here and there. So your winter, and in winters the best part is you can layer it up, and you can do a lot of fun things. So for me, my classics are the most important. Like your classic jackets, something. But all my clothes need to have little fun element. Suppose like this jacket, which I picked it up from a store in London. It was like a small vintage store, and I picked it up 2 years back, and I've worn it some 20 times, and I've styled it different ways. Like what I usually do is, if for evenings, if I want to pair it up, I have this. I'll take it out 1 second. I have this AQ dress. So I put that in and I layer it up with this, and I wear a pair of boots. So it's evening. There's a pop of color, and you're fully covered. So when you're traveling, when you're like in cold places, it's very comfortable yet very chic. Very it's fun.
Right.
So yeah, that's there. Then leather pants, I love them, and it's best time to wear them is in winters.
Right.
So you can team it up with a polo. You can throw in a jacket. You can throw in a like a overcoat like this. You should always have the basics sorted in your closet, in your wardrobe. Like your polos, your jackets in blacks and beige and grays, because these things you can repeat again and again. And to add on colors, you can do a colored inner. You can do color pants. You can pop it up with shoes and accessories, scarves, hats. The way you're wearing, I love it. So I mean, you can do a lot of things. One more, like I have this skirt which is very interesting. It's from Nikhil Thampi. Yeah. So you can team it up with like a nice black polo, and do like booties, or like where stocking is really cold. So it just adds a little different element to your outfit. So yeah, that's what I believe. Like you should just have fun. This is my this jacket I bought some 5, 7, 8, 10 years ago, and it's still going on. It's a classic. So you need to have these kind of things, and you can keep adding on. Like if you have the classics, you don't need much. You just need few things here and there to mix and match.
Your favorite shopping destination? I mean, we need to ask you this.
My favorite shopping destination, I like to go, whenever we travel, a lot of us pay a lot of attention to shopping, it's one of the most important things you do while you're traveling with your friends, family and everything. I try not to go to the regular high street brands. I like to go and see the small vintage stores. So London is one place, you can just walk around and find these small. New York, another place. Like I love going there and just walking on the streets and finding these small stores where you can pick up small things. So yeah, for me, I think New York will be the place if I want to go and shop and indulge.
Right. And you've been styling so many celebrities. I mean, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, even for Gans, you've done it. How difficult or easy is it to style these celebrities?
I mean, it's not difficult in a way. Like it's my job, so there are challenges, and there are hiccups, and there are but this is the job. I love doing it, so it's not like difficult. But yeah, I mean, if you understand your clients, their body type, their image, their appearance, their looks, so it's very. It's not very difficult to then put a look together for them, and especially for celebrity styling, you have to be very careful. You need to keep in mind that person's personal style, that celebrity's personal style. Because if you'll try to change that, then it will become very difficult for people to accept them and for themselves to go outside confidently and, be confident about the look. So that little personal element is their personal style is very important. And of course, as a stylist, because you want to experiment, you want to do new things, you push them. And fortunately for me, it's always been like I've always been maybe blessed, but I've always got clients who I could do a lot of different kind of things. So it's been fun. Like it's fun to. I love what I do.
Of course, I think that's one of the most important thing. Okay, before we go, Aastha, our viewers would definitely want to know what's trending this winter for fall winter. So if you could just tell our viewers today.
I would say go for overcoats, go for jackets, go pick up interesting prints and don't go all black or don't go all grey. Add a little bit of color here and there, like maybe with your hat, your scarf, your leggings, your shoes. Just pop it up a little. And I think even bright colors like orange, yellow, all these colors are really in. Like, don't shy away just because it's winter. Don't shy away from these colors. They make a dull day look really bright.
Thank you so much for having us here. We had a lovely time, a lovely space.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So that was Aastha Sharma with us, guys. The next celebrity stylist today we have is Sanjana Batra, who will style top celebrities like Kriti Sanon, Shilpa Shetty, Pariniti Chopra and many more. So Sanjana, it's winters and of course there are a lot of people who actually follow you guys. So would you like to show anything from your closet, in terms of winter wear? How can you style them? And give some special tips to all our viewers down here.
Yeah, sure. Let's take a look. I've taken out a few things that I really like for this season, and because it's the party season as well, so it's always a good time to dress up and experiment with fashion. So let's take a look at a few looks.
Sure. Let's go.
So I'm a big lover of jackets, and I feel like, you can never have enough of them. And I feel a good statement jacket can completely change your look. So I'm going to show you a few of my favorites for this season. So this is actually a cape it's a cape jacket that I sourced for a shoot recently. And it's by Shaheen Manan, this designer from Delhi. And I found it so cute because it's got all these like cute, quirky sort of motifs on it. But at the same time, it's warm. It's like an interesting look. I think with just a pair of, black leather jeggings, it'll make a really good look, and just maybe a nice pair of booties. And it's a great look for like a dinner out, you're going out for dinner with friends, or maybe even a party actually, why not? So it's a great way to keep yourself warm but look trendy at the same time. Another favorite that I think in terms of, you must invest in is a really nice trench maybe. But I'm not saying go to a very conventional trench route, like just a very chic, trendy sort of trench. So I really like this color, military green, like I'm in love with this color. So I think it's a really great staple to have again. I think a fur gilet. It's always nice to layer with a fur gilet. So you could wear it on top of a leather jacket, you could just wear it on top of like, regular top or a sweater. And I think it's a really cool sort of addition. This is actually a bomber jacket. So it's got a sporty sort of look, but at the same time it is pretty glam because it's fully embroidered and worked. This is actually made by my best friend who is a designer. Her name is Shivangi Sani, and her clothes are amazing. But this is that piece which I think everyone I've shown it to, or the moment I saw it on the ramp as well, I was like, this is a winner. Like,
I actually loved it, and I was about to ask you which brand or design is it?
Yeah, it's by Shivangi Sani, and she's based out of Delhi again. But yeah, it's a great piece because it's really trendy. It's very cool and it's very unusual. I've never seen anything like it.
So how difficult is it to work with Bollywood celebrities?
Honestly, it's not difficult at all. If you love what you do and you genuinely are passionate about it, I feel like it's a really fun job. It's a really fulfilling job. The only thing is, I think you have to be really good with time management because things are pretty fast-paced and hectic. And the other thing is, there are no work hours, there are no work days. Every day is a work day if there is work, and work timings can also be. You have to be very flexible with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just have to be really efficient. You know, I think the whole point is that everyone who's doing this is on top of their game and on top of things. So you need to also up your game. You know what I mean? You have to do your best, and you constantly have to be at it. You have to see what others are doing, what the new designers are making, stay updated with the collections that are out there, the trends that are out there. And of course, understanding your client's body type, the actor's body type, their personality, their public image, the event or the appearance, or the shoot that they're doing. I think understanding and identifying what will work where is very important, because a lot of times you can have a great outfit, but it might not work for the shoot you're doing or for the event the actor's going for the actor's body type. So I think it's a combination of all these things, but honestly, it's a great job if you really love doing it and you're really passionate about it, and if you're constantly giving it your best sort of a thing. I think then it's a very easy job.
And the next celebrity stylist we have is Tanya Ghavri. Of course, she's styled none other than Sonam Kapoor, Jacqueline Fernandez, Kareena Kapoor Khan, and a lot more. So let's have a chat with her and see what she has for us this season.
I follow you guys on Instagram and social media, so you guys are kind of like the source for us to look at our own work,
So if you would like to give a lowdown on what's really trending this winter season and what's there in your closet today.
There are a lot of interesting things I think this winter, but my favorite would have to be car wash skirts. I did one look actually recently with Jacqueline in a really nice crisp shirt with a car wash skirt, and I mean the grays. There are oversized pullovers, and turtlenecks, which I love, So a turtleneck with a little pinafore dress is so interesting. Of course, head to toe black, which never goes out of the season. I think that the faux fur stoles, which is so interesting. You can just do a little shift dress with a faux fur stole, and you're kind of easy to go. So I mean, there are a lot of interesting things, but I'm telling you the ones that I love the most. Yeah.
So Tanya, what's your favorite from here today?
I think my favorite would have to be this little jacket that I bought. It's kind of it's got a little retro feel, and I got it from LA. It's from one of my favorite vintage stores there. I forgot the name of the store. I think it's called... Actually, I've forgotten the name of the store, but it's got... LA has, I think, the best selection of vintage clothing, and this jacket is from there, and I just feel like it's so neutral. It can be worn with a pair of a dress, little shorts, yeah. So it's very neutral.
Okay, so if you would like to put a look together, I mean, it's winter, so I'm sure they would be really happy.
Yeah. For sure. I think that the look that I'm going to put together for you today is kind of something that someone can wear, like a little cocktail dress, that can be layered and put interesting shoes. And I think that I would definitely layer it with black because I just feel like it's so classic, So there is this one, this is one of my very favorite. It's an Airdam dress, it's really beautiful and it's neutral, but I just feel like it's something that whether you layer it or you kind of remove the layer, it's so chic and it's so cocktail, So I think that I would put it with a little a black blazer, and then to kind of wear it with either with I think that I would wear it with these pair of shoes, just to kind of make it interesting, and it's a textured pair, which I think is really nice, as opposed to just wearing boots or wearing pumps, you know. It's nice to kind of wear booties. Yeah.
That looks really interesting.
Yeah.
So, Tanya, I mean, you've styled so many celebrities, from Kareena Kapoor to Sonam Kapoor to Jacqueline Fernandez and so many more. How difficult is it to style these celebrities?
I don't look at it as difficult, actually. I look at it as great fun, you know. I love what I do, you know. I play dress up with gorgeous women, you know. How difficult is that? I know a lot of people out there would love to do what I do, you know, so I'm just kind of grateful for. So I don't think of it as difficult. There are days that are difficult. When I say that, I mean in terms of hours, you know, sometimes we have 15, 18-hour days, you know, which is difficult, you know, and I get tired. But other than that, it's not difficult to work with celebrities. That's a notion that needs to get out of the, yeah.
Good. That sounds really interesting. So guys, that's all we have for you today. I hope you got all your style tips from these celebrity stylists. Keep watching us, we'll get you a lot more on fashion and beauty.